Do you want a cleaner screen while playing eFootball, or do you prefer seeing your directional controls clearly? In this video, I'll show you how to make the directional stick visible or invisible in eFootball on Android. Let's get started. First, open the eFootball game on your Android device. Wait for a while to load the game. From the main menu, tap on Extras. Then, tap on Game Settings. After that, tap Play Settings. Now look for the directional stick type and tap it. You will see an option like Fixed, Move, and Off. Select Fixed or Move to make it visible. Turn it off to make it invisible. Go back and start a match. Check how the controls look on your screen. If you hide the directional stick, it gives you a cleaner screen and better visibility during gameplay. If you're a beginner, keep it visible for easier control. That's how you make the directional stick visible or invisible in eFootball on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips and tutorials.